which module will be the best for me.
Okay, so you have done BBA. So I think in
Yes,
BBA you have common for all the specific business processes like in
correct.
finance, then also in sales and distribution, marketing, right?
हाँ जी, that is the reason I am little bit confused.
No
कि which
problem, no problem. Yeah, so in fact, if you are having keen interest in marketing and sales, then you can do sales and marketing module. So it is having the presentation in front of you. Okay, sales and marketing is a good
okay.
place, and as you know that for all the outbound operations for any
Mm-hmm.
business process
Okay.
across the globe. Okay, so now we are having
Hmm.
sales and distribution activities. Okay, so
Hmm.
in this regard, for all the sales and distribution activities, we have got
Hmm.
a specific requirement for the consultants in SDA. So
Okay.
whether you are going for sales, whether you are going for distribution, then SD module is one of the most appropriate module.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now we are having some specific activity that we should take care of this module as a base, and then we can understand, we can plan our activities. Okay, then
Okay.
do some execution of the different transactions in SD module, right? Then
Right.
check whether there is a gap or not. First, you need to do
Okay.
plan, then execution process after planning, then checking your existing process whether there is any gap as per your plan or not, and then take the corrective actions based on the review. Right?
Okay.
Yeah.
Right.
So SD module is also a very nice module, and it is also in demand. Okay, and regarding the other person, Chris, SD is also fine for you because you have done master course, and sales and distribution is the mother module of SAP, core module. So we have
Mm-hmm.
many vacancies existing in SAP for SD, like MM. MM is the mother module
Okay.
for mechanical engineers, and especially the
Mm-hmm.
material management engineers who are having interest for products.
Okay.
But the fellows who are having interest for sales order management or delivery management, like sales and distribution, like revenue generation, so they should involve themselves in SD, outbound operations specifically. Any question, Sonal or Chris?
No, no, sir. As of now, not.
Yeah, so that's why the name is SD, and ECC
Okay.
stands for Enterprise Central Component. S4
Hmm.
stands for fourth generation device. Just please be mute.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, please be mute and or maybe in silence. And Hana is the high performance analytical appliance. Okay. So as the name suggests, we shall cover ECC and S4 HANA both SD modules. Okay, for ECC. So we shall introduce our activities related to the SAP GUI. Then we shall also involve some specific activities requirement for the customer master data, involving some customizing implementation SPROM in SD. So SD starts from the organization structures for logistics specifically. Okay, inbound and outbound. So outbound operations, we shall discuss about the enterprise structure for SD, like sales organization, distribution channel, and division. Right. Next, we shall discuss about the configuration. So, what will be the basic configuration for master data, like customer master, Then also we have got master data for partner functions. Okay, material master. So these are the specific master data creation and setting in configuration we shall discuss. After that, we need to have detailed analysis for sales order, which is one of the most important SD document. In sales order, we have got different attributes like number ranges about the creation of the sales order number range. Also, we have got sales document type involving some product proposals activities. Next, we need to create some order reasons for this particular sales order document, which is applicable for order management division. We need to define the specific item categories for sales order at the item level related to the materials and the customer informations. Okay. Then we need to focus on this delivery schedule line. What will be the schedule line based on the delivery quantity and the requirement date for the customer for a particular product. We shall also see the specific reports for sales document like sales order. There we can see how to do the copying of the existing sales order to create a new sales order, so that the existing sales order, the basic informations like document type or item category, item group, item inches, all will be copied to a new sales order. Just you need to define the quantity and delivery date. So you know that that net requirement quantity and the delivery date is the major attribute for any sales order for a specific customer, right? So next we shall also discuss about the other documents available before sales order like inquiry, quotation. How can we take care about the inquiry, then do the quotation. Based on the quotation, we have to do the comparison of the quotations and then do the creation of the sales order for customer, right? We have to check about the credit and debit process related to the customers revenues generation. So credit and debit with respect to this particular supplier, we need to find out for the customers. So customer, if any amount customer is paying, then it will be credited to our company's account against the particular selling of the product, and vice versa for debit. So let us suppose that any amount is returned from the customer, then it will be debited the corresponding particular amount from our account. For any product, customer return is for any product, okay, return delivery, we have to debit the amount. So this is called a return process, how to enable the sales return. And also we need to do the invoice correction consequently against the sales return. Maybe we need to debit the exact quantity of the products, or maybe the corresponding amount from the total billing invoice. Okay, so this involves credit and debit process, and also if there is any extra amount for excess charges for any sales order, we have to take care about the corresponding amount of quantity of materials to be adjusted in the original sales order, right, for excess invoice. So there we need to do the correction in the invoice. So here we need to create some request for invoice correction. Also we have got a long-term contract with the customer. So there are two types of specific contracts. One is the outline agreement, and second is the schedule agreement. Hello, just please silence. So outline agreement, as we know that it is related to the contract for a specific customer for a specific long-term or short-term duration, maybe annual rate contract, right? And it involves some specific contracts, document type, maybe quantity